International Conference on Nanotech and Expo by Omics Group Incorporated. And thank you all for finding time from your busy schedules to be here today. Today marks a major activity in brief existence of the Omics Group conferences, a moment where we are interacting, sharing experience, and reflecting on various areas related to nanotechnology and material science. Nanotek-2014 aims to bring together CEOs, directors, academic scientists, leading entrepreneurs, industrial leaders, and scholars to exchange and share their experiences, research results on the theme of challenging aspects and frontiers in nanoscience and technology. And of course, discuss and participate in practical challenges that they encounter in trying to adopt solutions. We cordially welcome you to join us and witness the advances in this field together. Omics Group would like to thank all the individuals, editorial board members, and organizers who have worked to make this event a success. Omics Group employees and program committee have put in long hours and many creative efforts finally to make this event possible. And my appreciation also goes to participants of this conference. We hope you enjoy the conference and your participation will contribute to our professionals' development and relationships. Now, I'm privileged to invite our honorable guests here to conference podium, and all the speakers are here. I present you Sir Harry Kroto, who is the winner of the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1996. Also, I take pleasure in inviting Dr. Claudio Nicolini, Director of Nano World Institute in Italy. Then we have Dan Meyerstein, Professor of Chemistry of Ariel University from Israel, and Dr. Aaron Goldenken, Emeritus Professor of Bar Ilar University from Israel, and Dr. Masaru Matsuo, Professor of Dalian University of Technology in China. And with this, we can now start with speakers. So I call upon Sir Harry Kroto for his speech. And before this, I would actually just like to read his not so short but very accomplished biography. So Sir Harold Kroto is currently a Francis Epes Professor of Chemistry at Florida State University. He is carrying out research in nanoscience and cluster chemistry, as well as developing exciting new internet approaches to STEM, science, technology, education, outreach. In 1996, he was awarded a Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his contribution. He was one of the 3 recipients, and I'll come back to this later. He's a fellow of the Royal Society of London and holds an emeritus professorship at University of Sussex in Brighton, United Kingdom. His research program focuses on the complex range of molecular constituents in carbon vapors, development of novel 2- and 3-dimensional metal clusters and organic frameworks, as well as peptides, stabilization of small fullerenes and carbon nanotubes-based devices. Harry obtained a first-class Bachelor of Science honorary degree in chemistry in 1961 and PhD in molecular spectroscopy 1964 at the University of Sheffield, UK, after a postdoctoral position at the National Research Council in Ottawa, Canada, and the Bell Labs at Murray Hill, New Jersey. From 1966 to 1967, he started his independent academic career at Sussex University. In 1970, his research group conducted the research on spectroscopic studies of long linear carbon chain molecules with his colleague David Walton. His research then extended to actually applications to radio astronomy, with Takashi Oka at the Canadian astronomers as well. And what that work led to very surprising discovery that such a long molecules of carbon actually are unusually copious. There are actually unusually copious amounts of these such molecules in certain regions of interstellar space. At the same time, he developed flash thermolytic synthesis method to create new metastable species and intermediates with multiple bonds between carbon and second and third row elements such as sulfur, selenium, and phosphorus. Conclusions derived from earlier astronomy breakthroughs on carbon species in space led to experiments in 1985 together with Robert Carr, Richard Smalley, and their graduate students at Rice University in Texas. These experiments actually simulated chemical reaction in the atmosphere of red giant stars, and they uncovered the existence of C60 Buckminster fullerene, or as we know them, buckyballs. And this is the third well-characterized form of carbon for which he, together with Carl and Smalley, received 1996 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. In 1995, he launched the Vega Science Trust to create science films and high quality to be broadcasted at UK network televisions. He's now heavily involved with GeoSet of Global Education Outreach Service, Engineering and Technology program, which he initiated after moving to Florida State University. And GeoSet seeks to exploit the revolutionary creative dynamics of internet and improve general level of science understanding and awareness worldwide. He has numerous awards, including the Copley Medal, Faraday Lectureship of the Royal Society, as well as the Tilden Lectureship and Longstaff Medal of the Royal Society of Chemistry. Other awards include Louis Vuitton Moët Hennessy Sciences pour l'Art Prize and Italgas Prize for Innovation. He holds over 40 honorary degrees from universities all over the world. And he's elected a Foreign Associate of the National Academy of Sciences in 2007. And with this pleasure,